You're watching a recap from Investor XP, the show that covers investing for gamers. Check out the video description for details. It is Wednesday, June 7th. We got a great show for you today. We've got so many things to get to. I'm going to go ahead and jump right in. Looking at apparel stocks this week, we've looked at Nike, Under Armour, Foot Locker. We're narrowing it down. Tomorrow we'll probably pick which one we're going to put on our shopping list, our spec list to buy. But today we are looking at Children's Place because people have kids, gamers have kids, and they need to get clothes. So let's take a look at that. Goose, yeah. Marty, you had talked about Goose. Goose is doing great. That was a viewer pick. That's up like 30-something%. But let's take a look at Children's Place. Some decent stuff here with Children's Place. Let me pull it up full screen. Let's look at the normal stuff. It's up 43%. It's very specialized. Very specialized with what they sell. Up 43%. Price to earnings is pretty darn cheap. And the question is, let's see, 107, 112. It's lost some momentum. Certainly with it's back below its moving averages, so it might be sitting still for a little bit. Looking at the chat here, see so many children's apparel stores going out of business. Maybe that's just in the Midwest, though. I don't know. No, a lot of them do go out of business. So it comes down to, do they have a robust enough model to stay out there? They pay a dividend, which we like, 1.5%. Okay, nothing to write home about. Let's see. Decent amount of cash versus debt. Okay. 227. Some decent cash flow. Could cover the dividend. Let's look at their investors page. I think it was their last earnings. Let's pull up here. Their investors presentation. There wasn't a whole lot out of this to look at for the company. It was the big thing was they've had some good comparable sales. It was flat. They had a bump in 2016, and that's around when retail was first starting to falter with their comparable same-store sales. Not a whole lot. You know, everyone wants a superior product. That's like a blanket statement. So almost ignore that when someone puts it in their investors presentation. Business transformation through technology. One of the good things that they have there is their rewards programs and their coupons and their discounts and stuff like that. That suckers people into the store really good. So their long-term vision was to get some personalized customer contact strategy. Okay, with that. A lot of people like the omni-channel initiatives, but and take care of their inventory management. So they got some. They're working with Amazon a little bit. That was another thing of note. They're relying heavily on their rewards program. They are a very cheap place to get kids' clothes. They have sales. They drive people in the store. You think you're getting a bargain, and you walk out, spending $300. All good things as an investor for the store. As Fiction kind of pointed out A lot of the children's stores go out of business. They have an okay cash pile versus the debt that they use. Do you think they're going to stay in business, collect a dividend while they do? Interesting stock to look at. Financially, I think they're in a good place and they can do some expansion. Like I said, I'm going to look tomorrow and kind of narrow down and put one of these on the shopping list. Nike was a very good one that we looked at. Under Armour, not so much. Foot Locker was pretty good, even though it's retail. It had some good valuation. Destination XL, didn't like that one. And Children's Place is okay. So I think I've got it narrowed down to Nike or Children's Place or Foot Locker. So do a follow-up tomorrow. See which one of those will put on the shopping list. But let me know what you think. Children's Place, they're going to stay in business. I don't know. But always put your comments in the recap video. I like the discussion. So that's it for today's show. I'm going to wrap it up here. Contact the show, tweet us, email us. We're live Monday through Friday, 1:30 Eastern, 12:30 Central. Chat with us during the show. We had some good comments today. Appreciate everyone for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already so you're the first to get the latest investing news for gamers. Really want to get gamers, people who watch Twitch, YouTube, involved in investing. I think you'll have a distinct edge in certain areas such as gaming stocks. Really want to get people involved in that. So send us some feedback. Let me know what you think of the videos. Give us a thumbs up. And we will see you tomorrow.